Hello, Ryan.
Hello, Daddy.
Uh,
Look, this in the park. This is his spoon with a lot of water and fish.
okay. So the huge pond, and this is the park pond. We are staying currently. You are staying at Panchbibi Park,
Yeah.
and guys, there's a nice pond just beside the pond, beside the park.
My
And
mother
today
and
I'm here with Ryan.
my mother and my auntie go with this park, and
Yeah.
we join a lot of things here.
Okay. Okay, and you enjoyed a lot.
Yes.
Okay, and today we are here to spend some time with my
Come here.
little one Ryan. And come on, come back. We can have a walk on that road. There is a pedestrian, It's a nice road for walking, for jogging.
I get close to the pool.
You want to get close to the pond?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay, so I'm so much scared of water.
Why?
If I fall down,
You
what happened?
You stay here.
I'm stay far?
No, yes.
I should stay far?
Yes.
But you should get close to the pond.
Right.
Huh? Okay, get closer. Yeah, get closer. No problem. Don't be afraid of water.
I don't.
It's a nice pond. Can you swim, Brian?
No.
No. You can't swim?
No.
Okay, I will train you how to swim. Okay?
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, not today. Okay, not today. It's not swimming time. Tomorrow I'll teach you how to drive in the water. Okay?
With a speeding water boat.
No, I don't have any water boat. But if you want, I can make a water boat. I can buy a water boat for you.
Okay, small one because I am afraid with water.
Okay, that's fine. Hey, it's a nice and a big gigantic fish.
Yes.
You see?
Yes, it's a huge pond.
Yes, a huge pond. And you see the fish?
Daddy, let's fly.
Okay. Where do you want? Where do you want to go?
Come here, I want to swim. I want to swim in the Dolla ring.
Cradle.
I want to swim in the cradle.
It's the cradle and it's the sleeper and the swing. There are a lot of rides for. Yes. Hey, Babu. তুমি স্যান্ডেল মুখে নিয়েছো কেন? স্যান্ডেল ফেলায় দাও। সি বাবা স্যান্ডেল ফেলায় দাও ময়লা স্যান্ডেলে। Hey, Ryan. Go ahead.
I want to swim.
Oh, there's no any cattle, no any swing. Everything are lost. Yes,
Where is the cradle?
they're gone. I don't know. Someone might have stolen.
Why?
আমাদের পাঁচবি পার্কের যে আসলে দোলনাগুলো ছিল ছোট বাচ্চাদের জন্য এটা কিন্তু সব চুরি করে ফেলছে দুঃখজনকভাবে।